AFP Chief Gregorio Pio Katapang has awarded a plaque of recognition to the Philippine Army Dragon Boat team, which dominated the 9th IDBF Club Cruise World Championship in Italy last month. The Army paddlers were cited for their superb performance in the above-mentioned event, which took place last September 3 to 7. The Dragon Boat team bagged 2 gold medals and set new world records in the 200-meter and 500-meter Premier Open events. Currently, the team is gearing up for the upcoming Dragon Boat Regatta, which will be held in Penang, Malaysia.
Ating ipinagmamalaki na sa anumang tagumpay na ipinapakita at nakakamtan ng ating kasundaluhan ay lagi natin itong ipinagpupunyagi at ito ay ating nire-recognize ng ating armed forces as well as ng ating national government. So sa hapong ito ay binigyan natin sila ng parangal sa dalawang gintong parangalan or karangalan na kanilang natanggap doon sa Ravenna, Italy.
Actually ma'am, very proud kami kasi ito isa sa mga mataas na parangal na binigay sa amin. So masaya kami, nire-request kami ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Tinatangkilik kami ng mga kababayan namin. So very proud kami para sa parangal na ito.